Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode. This is the Jordan 3 Fragment and we're going to unbox it, put it on feet, and I'll share with you guys my thoughts on this brand new pair of kicks that I was finally able to get from Sole Republic in today's episode. Let's go! By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are doing 3 giveaways. We're giving away a Realme Pro 7. We are giving away off-white face masks, 3 of them. And we are also giving away, in cooperation with Cop Garden, Travis Scott Astro World towel. So yeah, cool stuff. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and then click the links down below for the mechanics. Good luck. Now, a lot of sneaker YouTubers and reviewers said that they were actually underwhelmed with this shoe. In short, it didn't live up to their expectations. And I can feel that because if you take a look at the pictures, the sneakers kind of look boring because they are minimalist. It's black and white. It looks like some sort of orca or panda, depending on how you look at it. But that's exactly the reason why I wanted to buy it. Apart from the Fragment branding, apart from that association with the godfather of the Harajuku fashion scene, the design and the color just spoke to me. So you guys know, I'm in a white sneaker phase right now, and this was just simply a must-have. So anyway, let's get to the unboxing. Comes in this black, blue, white Jordan 3 box. Kind of unique compared to the other Jordan 3 boxes. You have the details of the sneaker over here along the side. You have the Fragment lightning bolts over there at the other side. And if you pop the box open, you have that tissue paper with the Jumpman logo and the Fragment lightning bolts. And then, unlike most Jordan 3s wherein it's a little bit more, or unlike other collaborations where you probably might get like hang tags and stuff like that, or extra laces, this one is very straightforward. It's just the shoe, no hang tags, no fluff, no extra laces. You get the shoe and that's it. Very minimalist, very straightforward. Boom. So this is the Jordan 3 Fragment, and it's exactly how I envisioned it to be based on the pictures and based on what I wanted to get. So you have that all white leather upper. The most fascinating thing that I find, or that I don't see, is the absence of the swoosh that you would usually see on the side panels of the sneakers. If you take a look at both sides, medial and lateral, there are no swooshes. No swoosh branding on this pair, which is like super ballsy of Nike and Jordan brand to do. So kudos to them for allowing that. You have the Jumpman logo, of course, on the tongue tab. You have Fragment written at the back. And then if you take a look at the back, over here, you have the Fragment lightning bolts with a translucent material and then air written at the bottom. You have the Fragment logo here as well on the lateral side, on that black color leather thing over here. And then lastly, you have some sort of like text, some sort of like, I don't know, details that says Fragment design and some numbers, maybe some stock supply number or something written along the midsole. Now, when it comes to the leather quality, it's pretty much the same with other Jordan 3s. It is good. It is, you know, it smells fantastic, but it's nothing like super premium. And that, I think, is the reason why a lot of people found it underwhelming when they initially got it. I think the expectations were just so high because it is from Fragment, and there is the, you know, the hype behind the Jordan 1 Fragment, that, you know, that shoe that sells for like over 250,000 pesos or $5,000. And they probably thought that it would be much, you know, better, this particular shoe. But if you take a look at it, there was no hang tag, no extra laces. The unboxing experience was kind of boring. And then when you take a look at the shoe, I mean, there's nothing really super special about the materials. It's really just this minimalist, straightforward, sleek, elegant design. And again, that kinda is the reason why I went for it. With that said, I'm not really underwhelmed at all. It's exactly what I wanted. It's exactly what I paid for. It's literally what I had in my mind when I decided to pick it up, and I'm excited to add it to my collection. Shout out again to Sole Republic for the hookup on this one at a great price. Very happy to add this in my Jordan 3 like section over there at my sneaker wall at my back. So what do you guys think of the Fragment Jordan 3s? Would you buy it? Would you flip it? Or would you keep it and rock it? Let me know in the comment section. Would love to hear from all of you. As for me, I'm keeping it, I'm wearing it, and I will abuse this this until it becomes unrecognizable. Now, before we end today's episode, I just want to show you a few things that were added to the setup that you might not be seeing because they're not literally in the field of view of the camera. So let me just pick this one up. The first thing I want to show you guys is this new headphone stand that I was able to get. So it's like a 3D printed Batman face. So we have my JBL Quantums over here, which I use a lot for video calls and stuff like that. I just love the design. I just love the look. This one sells for a little over 1,000 pesos for $20. I got it from Lazada, so if you want one, I will link it down below. It just looks really cool. I mean, take a look at that. Sobrang panalo. I wish they came out with more designs and not just Batman, because this just looks really dope. Now, apart from this new headphone stand, I also ended up getting this. So as you guys know, I collect Infinity Gauntlets. This is the biggest one that I have, which is the Hot Toys 1:1 scale. This one is the new version. It's the Nano Gauntlet that was worn obviously by Tony Stark when he snapped out Thanos and sacrificed himself to be able to save the world. So to be honest, the quality is kind of not that good compared to this one. This one is like heavy, made out of some sort, I don't know if it's resin or polystone. This one, it's plastic, so that's the reason why this is so much more cheaper than that. But yeah, it's nice to have it too in my collection. So we now have 2 Infinity Gauntlets over here at the back. I'm going to add one more, so watch out for that when it arrives. We will have it on this particular part of the table. Okay, with that said, that actually wraps up our quick vlog for today. I hope you guys are doing fine. I hope you're all positive with life, negative with COVID. This is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.